Hello, everybody. Hello. The question for today is, what is your favorite street food? I like kebab, and I must admit that I tried kebab in many places. One of the best I actually had was in Belgium and in Thailand on Phuket. Do you think it's difficult to make a kebab? Kebab is basically 4 ingredients: flatbread, meat, veggies, and sauce. Sounds easy, yeah? Let's see. Lavash or flatbread if you prefer. I think this will take me the most time, so I will start with preparation of that flatbreads, and then I will put my meat into the oven, and then I will start preparing my sauces. So let's go. For lavash, we're gonna need few ingredients, which is a flour. I have all-purpose flour, plain flour, dry yeast, sugar and salt. I think I put just 1 tablespoon of each. The recipe I found also says it would be good to add some olive oil. So basically, that's it. The most important, hot water. I'm gonna use a machine here, but you can also use your hands. It just takes a bit longer just to prepare the dough. Yeah, so here we go. This is 250 grams of warm water. I can feel it's warm, but it's not hot. Cheers, guys. It looks like latte, but definitely doesn't smell like latte. Okay, I'm gonna sit it aside and I will prepare some flour. Now it actually looks like latte. It has a beautiful foam on top. Okay, I think this is ready. Okay, here's the meat. I need to confess something with you. Well, I have prepared my meat earlier. I did it because I wanted my beef and chicken to have a really rich flavor, so I mixed it with the spices. So how about we travel in time and let's move to yesterday.
"24 hours later."
you're planning to do kebab at home, just make sure you're gonna measure the height of your oven. Check this out. Fingers crossed. So I think it's ready. It's really hot. No. Already hot. It looks like this. Look, nothing falls off. It is really good. It is really good and definitely worth doing it at home. It will take you 5 hours. No, I'm just kidding. But 2, 3, definitely. You need to wait for your wraps to get ready. You need to allow at least 2 hours for the meat. I also need to say that your kitchen will be a total mess after you will do your kebabs. But it's definitely worth it. Guys, if you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment. I would like to know what would you like me to check and what would you like me to cook.